Hey babe. Hey. Do I light up your world?
No, you make it darker. I light up yours.
Barely.
Hey guys, what's going on? We're back with another video. I know you're not used to a short blonde white girl doing your introduction videos, but hey, new year, new me, right? Anyways, I'm supposed to be meeting Chris here. By the way, I am so apologetic about this lighting. It sucks. We're having problems with our camera right now, so I've been using my phone. So yeah, I'm in Burlington right now. Supposed to be meeting Chris here. He wants to go to Ikea. Kind of a weird place to go, I know. Cheap dates though, $1 hot dogs. Can't go wrong. He wants to look at furniture. I mean, we're not moving in together. I need to get engaged first, so I mean, I need a ring. So Chris, where's my ring at? Anyways, no, but seriously. Anyways, yeah, so we're going to Ikea. So when he pulls in, we'll be back. Peace.
Alright guys, this is the fit. Got the Published jacket on, the Nike sweater, because it's kind of brisk outside. The Peace Collective hat. How much do you guys want to bet that Shannon will ask where I got this hat from? I got it from Peace Collective for half off. It was on sale, so I had to pick it up. I don't have this color, it's suede. How much you guys want to bet she's going to ask me that? Alright, I'm out of here. Let's go meet up with her. So I think the favorite part of Ikea I love so much is the cheap food. And, you know, what do you think about their cheap food? What was the point of that? They're like, don't you like the cheap food at Ikea? Oh, so the reason why she's not really talking is because she's on this low-carb diet. New year, new me, you know. Good luck with her and her sister doing that. What is it? No carbs and just water. Good luck to you. I know this isn't your section, but...
Why is it my section?
You can't cook.
What was that?
You can't cook.
Shut up. And you can?
Of course I can. Because I'm like that. I didn't know Ikea sells fried onions.
Ew. Did they really?
Yeah. Fried onion. I wonder if there's actually like mustard in this. Like,
Is that mustard and ketchup?
mild mustard, yeah, and ketchup.
Is there stuff in there?
Yeah. It's
Oh my
cool.
gosh.
I didn't know that.
There's that salt and pepper.
So you just leave the mirror out there?
2 sinks. Then we have our own thing, like his and her sink.
I like the look of his and her sinks though.
Yeah, I know.
And these ones are kind of. I like this.
I don't
material.
like. It's not deep enough. This material. All sinks are made out of this material.
I meant like, you know, like
No, I
the
don't know.
depth of it. That's sick. Like comes on, but is this enough room for the shoes? Exactly.